Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, today you see the white box. Got the gold jump man. You know, this white box, hopefully there's something new Jordan coming with. But you see the gold writing under the bottom. It is what it is. Like I said, I'm liking this packaging. But anyway, today we're gonna take a look at the women's Air Jordan 12 Retro in Vachetta Tan and metallic gold. This is a size 8.5. It retails for $190. And I'm gonna tell you. But before we do any of that, man, y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Now looking at the paper, you got the white paper with the 23 all over it. But this paper is a little thicker. It's a little thicker than all the usual papers. But let's get into the shoes anyway, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 12 Retro for women, Vachetta Tan. Now, I'm gonna tell you straight out of the gate, man, the quality on this shoe is untouchable. You know what I'm saying? I can't wait till he drop a pair for us like this. You know what I mean? I mean, the suede on these things, man, the quality is nice, man. You got to see them for yourself in hand, you know. But looking around the shoe, you see the gold accents all throughout. You see this nice, high quality leather pull tab on the back with the Jumpman Jordan, inspired by the greatest player ever. Yeah, y'all already know that. Right here, look on the inside. You got that quilted pattern and leather on the inside. You heard me right? Leather. Know what I mean? So anyway, man, look, like I say, and I might say this a couple of times throughout the video, this is a nice quality shoe, man. He looked out for the ladies on this one. You know what I mean? I bet his wife had something to do with that, but anyway, you can see the Jumpman tab in the middle in gold. You see that suede right there? Nice suede. It's not that long-haired suede. It's a little in between. You know what I mean? But like I said, the quality on it is impeccable. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is for the ladies. So, as you can see, you got that Jumpman on the tongue. There's another look at that leather on the inside with the quilted pattern. You got the matching rope laces. I mean, it's a dope shoe, man. Here's a look at the bottom. You got that white with the gold Jumpman in 23. You got your carbon fiber. Pretty simple, you know, but like I say, it's a quality. This is a quality shoe, man. You know, something like this, I expected it to be more than $190, but it's for the ladies, so what you expect? Anyway, there's more of that quilted pattern. You know, I can't do it on foot because I don't have nobody here today that can fit this, you know what I mean? So we're gonna have to skip that. You know what I'm saying? But now we're gonna take a couple of shots look at a couple of these shots, man, and try to give you a better view of the kicks. Let you see that quality up close. Yeah, this is nice. I like the way they got the few little accents of gold sprinkled throughout. You know, you got the gold lacelets. You got the gold tab on the side, on the outside and the inside. You got that gold and white on the bottom. I mean, it did a nice job on these, man. These are dope. You know what I'm saying? So, anyways, man, look, I'm gonna leave y'all with this. I'm gonna let the music play, and I'm gonna go ahead on and get out of here, man. You know what I'm saying? So, look, I want to thank y'all for watching. You know, like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, subscribe. Share the video, whatever it is you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? And got a few more videos that's gonna be going up today. You know what I mean? So yeah, appreciate y'all, man. But anyway, follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAv504 and the Sneaker Peddler. And I'ma holla back.